wakho lukhanya kwenkwenkwezi ubuhle bakho bunyula buqhele ingqondo yakho ibukhala idelele uyakuba mhle budale ubumhle buthi taking the stairs to the top, running no shell in that timing. Come on, go get no more fast. When you're more kind of the Lion King, let me do ya to your child. John Ben from my God, I want to never go for. I come on the phone and the la la. Free this, free that can't leave. See the work that I put in, go down push by the Mali. All my niggas doing overtime and overtime, while the rest is a line G. When they ask me how I doing this and Johnny, I'll be honest with y'all, I say tell your friends, tell your homies, tell your sister I'm that nigga, I'm the man, I'm the mister. Except for the niggas in the back, probably catching feelings when they listen to this track. Yeah, tell your friends, tell your homies, tell your sister I'm the nigga, I'm the man, I'm the mister. You did? Tell your friends, tell your homies, tell your sister I'm that nigga, I'm the man, I'm the mister. Except for the niggas in the back, probably catching feelings when they listen to this track. Yeah, tell your friends, tell your homies, tell your sister I'm the nigga, I'm the man, I'm the mister. You did? Songs on the radio, it's all you wanna hear, now you already know. You all bet by your phone. Book to bake a fave in the kitchen.
My hair is actually disgusting. I need to take it off. Fast.
Trigger traffic, lot of thinking, but did I miss it? I don't really care, no manga for money, ticket. Oh no, deze keer kom ik aan de bakje weer slow. Ik groot man, mensen klippen voor die call. Roses in my hand as I'm getting quick to the front door, sending any. Nu gaan check up naar de soundtrack, king of Brandy.
Big to me there.
It's so cold, Dabo.
Only put a few hours when it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Long for a year, only feel like months. Like cool fast when you know what you want. Not the sound of what you want. Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new is look like Halle Berry. And she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like that. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I wanna contract girl, baby. In the meantime, sign up what I want. Hope you know what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it's felt like days.
any kind of during special occasions. Everyone had.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new day in this vlog. I don't remember the vlog, so Molweni Betuna. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is a Saturday and kuyanetha. Such a nice weather for basically not uzuli, but we need to run errands zethu because Sundays are very short and we like to use Sundays for rest. So we are going to do a grocery and yeah, basically enconjoying but basically late and Yaba was not feeling so great this morning. So siphele siba late enkonzweni sizoya ke ngoku Springbok to do grocery and yeah. Oh, also today guys we have some good news. Okay, should I tell you guys this in Lily? What if I don't get a chance? Okay. Our car, the one that we are in now, as I was saying guys, our car, the one that we are in now, is giving us a lot of problems. So I think in Claire vlog you will see that we have been using a public transport to get to work. Oh, it has been so hectic. I don't want to lie. I have never been so grateful of a 30 more minutes in my whole life. But anyways, this car is giving us problems, so we decided that we need a second car that we're gonna use like a survival car. So yesterday we went to We Buy Cars. I'm sure you guys have seen that by the chronology of this video. We went to a We Buy Cars. Guys, I'm gonna do a small unpacking of this car thing. So let's just go to a Springbok. So you're taking how ukya. So there's Springbok. Say na pay. Not sure so na pay. But as you can breakfast din namhlanje sikhele breakfast. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. We are done Springbok sana. My dreams of vlogger when doing a grocery. No my darling sana. Wow, it's just that as we that's been a chance of doing this, so we had to suck it out. But yes, Tengile, and now we're going to Clicks for Indos Gayaba, and then we gotta go home. Yo, I understand. For everyone, but I get it. Busy school holidays, so inabanyani yonke imizi is facing the same problem. But yeah.
so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't if you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having days on end. Take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having days on end. Take you. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Oh.
Hi guys, I am done packing the grocery. Going to the just something to snack on. Kudala ndo abawela. This is soon. Kudala ndo abawela, so I am gonna make some yabanda shem namhlanje. I think I'm gonna go and waste away in bed.
That you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
Can you believe it? Banana. Guys, I am reporting live from my car. Oh! What else did you buy me? A cookie pencil lodwa.
Kolozo zobona ama-crew ayikho ngithandela ukujabo so ayabona ngizomosha kakhulu